Today we are going to learn how to connect the SC switch. The SC switch, and this is 45 amperes. The SC switch, we have the line in, the neutral in, the neutral out, and the line out. Okay, so our out terminal, we connect these ones that go to the outlet. Then the in terminal, this one comes away from our main circuit breaker. Okay, let's dive in 2 minutes. What we first do, we start with these. Start with the outlet. Connect the outlet. So this outlet, we shall connect it to the line out. So this is what we are going to do. Line out. One in the live. And the other in the neutral. So we are definitely remaining with the line in. So these are the phases in. So what we do, we have to strip this wire to a reasonable length. Connect one by one such that you don't cause a short. Connect here. First, loosen the terminal first. Then you tighten. While tightening, don't give space for loose connection. Make it as tight as possible. So we have this. You also have to strip it. Okay, we are done. So also just loosen a little bit. And here the connection is done. We are only remaining with closing our outlets. While closing, it's done. Thank you very much.